Hello and welcome to Renue Marketplace. And here I'm going to explain you a um, generally how does Dashboard, how does it work step by step. This is a full tutorial, so our first one, it will be like a general idea of how does the dashboard works. All right, so let's get started. Let me move my head from here. All right, and a little bit more confettis. Yay, let's get started. So my name is, so here we have Noah Perez, and if you would like to change the language, here's the profile. So the language, preference language, is depending on if you're an entrepreneur, self-employed, or you're a small or medium-sized business, and you have more than one employee, and you will like them, they will like to use it in a different language. Here we are. So we have it in English, or if it's in Spanish, so they are available. Location, the location of of where you're located, you can add it right over here, and right over here you have the price, of course. You'll be using euros because you're in Europe, or if you're in another country, the European Union, you can just switch it. All right, that's the first step. So let's go by these sections. So we have a section is catalog, store, sales, customer, and marketing, and setting and system. As you can see, catalog, we have products. So here, this is the product that I just uploaded for this tutorial. We have that. So if I click here, and you can see we can change the language into English or Spanish currently right now. And here we have the name of the product, the self-explanatory, and here's the slug. This is the URL of this product, so you can share it to potential clients or whoever you need to. Description. Here is the full description. You have custom fields. You have the weight of the product, what collection does it belongs to. So you can go here and you can add as you please. You have similar products to this product, you can add also. You have facets, basically this is the label of your product or what is made of your product. Here is the images, so you can add here images. As you see over here, you can just add your image, and this is the product variant. So if your product has more than different kinds of variations, if your product has, you can just add it over here with it is SAQ, the price, and price with tax. As you can see here, what is the stock? So you have a full CRM. This is a full, completely CRM. You have, and let's discard. We didn't make any changes, but it's actually if we did. And here we are. Yes, we did made a little change, but we discarded it. And facets. These are the facets that we currently have right now, but we'll be adding more facets. Here we have our collections. This is the collections that we currently have. More people will be joining Renue. We'll be adding more they can just send a message and we'll add more collections. Assets, this is the images. Every time when you upload an image, upload a product with an image, it will appear here, the image of the product, and other things. Of course, if you add your profile, it will appear here, and you can edit them or you can preview them. Status, here is the status of your store. As you can see here, the store, the status of your store. There's simple 3 steps. As connect your account, your details, delivery methods. As you can see, is very, very simple. Storefront. This is your storefront. So what is the storefront? The storefront will be your information to your potential clients and to the public and to the internet, so people can purchase your product, so they will like to know about you. So here we have the name of your store, the ID. This is for you as the administrator. That will be for you and to keep you updated. When did you join Renue? And here you have the location, your URL. If you would like to add your URL from Instagram, that'll be great because you have a backlink, so they can have more information from you. Your facet, your Facebook account, your X account or Twitter account, you can add your URL. You can add your LinkedIn, you can add your TikTok, and also this is a great feature, I believe so. As in Spain currently right now, it's very easy for people and for potential clients and yourselves to just send a message and that you can say, oh, I am interested in this product. So there you go. So we have this also. You just have to add your telephone number and automatically clients can send you messages of what they're interested in. We have brand, your logo, your profile picture, the banner of your store, store description about your store policy, return and exchange. These are all mandatory and important for you and for the potential client that will buy your products, because they will read about your information, who you are, do you do exchange or do you do cancellation, and this is mandatory. Okay, it is important for them so they can trust you. For invoices, automatically every time a client purchases a product from you, they will automatically receive an invoice, and you too, you will receive an invoice. You're the invoice policy. Custom fields. This is another custom field that we added. It is a featured product. So if you like to have a product that is featured and a specific location of your store, you can just add it. And estimation delivery, you can add as estimation delivery for your product. If you're using Shopify, you can import automatically all the products, so you don't need to do them one by one. That's very nice, I believe so. This is a beautiful feature. Then after you have WooCommerce, you can import it also automatically. So if you have 2 stores, you can just automatically import them. If you have a store in Shopify, you can import all the products. If you have a store from WooCommerce, you can import them. Here you have orders, right? All the orders, as you can see, sales. This is the sales section. Orders. Here you have the orders. So if you click over here, you can see all the information of the orders, what was made, and you can download it. Invoices. Here are the invoices. So you can just download the invoices if any of your clients have said, oh, okay, I would like to have that invoice again because I deleted it by mistake. So yeah, you can just download it and send them back to them. Send them to them again. Here we have Noah. This is our customer. I am my own customer, as you can see here. So here we have promotions. So here you will add coupon discounts, as you can see, coupon code. You can add coupon code over here. You can just create a coupon code from when did it starts and when does it end, the coupon code. The coupon code, what is the name of the coupon code, how many people can, maximum number of times this coupon can be used by a single customer. So you will like to add one customer per one. Total usage, maximum number of times this promotion can be used. You would like to add it, okay, let's say 100 times you want people to use this, individual people to use this, and what are the conditions, if it's a maximum amount, etc. And if it's by discount or fixed price, you would like to add that coupon. But we'll go through this all. And after we have product reviews, these will be the reviews of your products that your clients have been leaving you, your ratings and etc. And you can also respond to them. Wonderful. And here you have the store location. So if you have more than one warehouse, you can individually allocate those products to that warehouse. So if you have you have a store, let's say your store A has a warehouse A and location in a different location, and storehouse, you have another storehouse, let's say B, and you want to allocate it in different locations. Yes, it's possible to be done. So basically, if you have more than one warehouse, you can do that. Shipping methods. We have many shipping methods. If you have different kinds of shipping methods, you can just add them all here. All kind of different shipping methods, you can just add them. We'll go all through this on details. Countries. What countries will you send your products to? It could be Spain, Portugal, Germany, the Netherlands, and we'll be adding more and more European countries. Zone, currently we only have Europe. SendCloud, if you have SendCloud for the shipping methods, you can just connect it to us, and everything will be synchronized. Job queue, it is just for information. For the developers, the technical support that you will have with us. If we just need to check on something, this is just for us, but you can have a look. There's no harm. So you just can see the information that you need. All right. And after you have the system status, if everything is working correctly, that's about it. And yes, and thank you very much. You have hold for the whole 10 minutes. And congratulations again, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.